So we have 4 different leaf orientations. On the wide ends of the spectrum is going to be pendulum. That's going to be your floppy horizontal leaf. Majority of the time, these are going to be your defensive hybrids. Upright is going to be your upright leaf structure. These are going to be majority of the time your offensive hybrids. Majority of your hybrids are going to fall in that semi-pendulum category or that semi-upright category. And as we look at the orientations of these plants, leaf orientation, you can see the pendulum hybrid, you can see those leaves flopping out, they're touching the plant beside it, they're reaching out and they're flopping at the very ends. The semi-pendulum, it's starting to become a little bit more upright, and as you go to semi-upright and upright, you can watch the leaves become more in that upright vertical position overall. One way that we want you guys to acknowledge is just being able to identify the difference between an upright plant and a pendulum plant. So for an upright plant, we start at the very bottom, we work our way to the top. Which way are those leaves going? As you can see for this plant here, every single leaf is going in that upright position from the bottom of the plant to the top of the plant, making it an upright plant. For a pendulum hybrid, we're going to start at the base once again. We're going to see what those leaves do as we work from the bottom of the plant to the top, and as you can see here, every single one of those leaves at the bottom of the plant all the way to the top is going to be in that pendulum format, horizontal or floppy format.